Cartoon Doo-Doo TV.
Hello kids! Today let's learn about the traffic signboards in India. Are you ready? Mandatory signs. Stop. This sign is used on roads where traffic is required to stop before entering a major road. One way. One-way sign indicates that the traffic moves only in a single way. No entry indicates that you are not allowed or restricted to enter the road. Vehicle prohibited both the directions. This sign indicates that entry to all types of vehicle is prohibited. Horn prohibited indicates that honking is not allowed near hospitals, schools, and in silent zones. No right turn. This sign indicates that you are not allowed to take a right turn. No left turn. This sign indicates that you are not allowed to take a left turn. Overtaking prohibited. This sign indicates that you are not allowed to overtake a vehicle ahead of you. Pedestrians prohibited. This sign indicates that pedestrians are not allowed to walk there. Truck prohibited. This sign indicates that heavy vehicles like trailers and trucks are not allowed to enter. Motorcycle prohibited. This sign indicates that two-wheelers are not allowed to enter. Speed limit. This sign indicates that you have to keep the speed of your vehicle within the set limit. No parking. This sign indicates that you cannot park your vehicle in the premises. No stopping. This sign indicates that the vehicles are not allowed to stop on the road, not even for some time. Thank you for watching Doo-Doo TV. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.